Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds torque. This one comes with 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. Illuminated star. Black MB Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Come around back. Trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. Anthracite poplar wood trim. Memory seats. Power windows. Heated steering wheel. Illuminated door sill. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also included is smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. Also included is the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE 350 has 37,042 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmanimports.com.